everybody, let's get started. Okay, and this is financial accounting, and I will, pass around this sign sheet. Please fill in your name, your student ID in case you have. In case you use your nickname, then please also include your legal name. Otherwise, I cannot put people together, by the end of this semester, I try to figure out who this person is. So again, don't forget to put in your legal name. Legal name means the name you use for enrollment and registration for this course. And for this semester, it's very short, okay? Including today, we only have 5 meetings, and we need to cover 12 chapters. So for that limitation, so I will cover this course as simple as possible, and hopefully give you a guideline or give you a basic idea what accounting is. Okay. So let's go over from chapter 1. So I hope you can get the book as early as possible, and hopefully by the end of this semester you get a book. Okay. And I will assign you a homework for each session, but I try to simplify. So I will only assign 1 question for 1 week, for every 2 weeks. So hopefully, try to reduce your burden. Okay, I know you are not only taking this course, you may have another 2 or 3. So I try to do my best, but in the meantime, I hope you will get something, okay, by the end of this semester. So how many of you has no textbook yet? 1 or 2? Wow, we have half, huh? I recommend you get a book as early as possible, but trust me, okay, for next semester, you don't wait. You can get the syllabus almost, few weeks before the semester begin. So you ask, our registration department and ask for the syllabus, before the semester. So get a book before have the course start. Otherwise, sometimes they ship the book to you probably for another 2 or 3 weeks. So that really means when you get a book, you only have 3 weeks left, or 3 sessions, 3 meetings left. So anyway, in case you are late for this semester, then get the lesson and get the book as early as possible for the next semester. Anyway, we're gonna cover 3 chapters for today. Chapter 1 should be easy, okay? It is a fundamental concept of financial accounting. Anybody can tell me what is the major difference between financial accounting and management accounting? Anybody know? What's the main purpose for each side? They are both accounting, but what's the major difference between financial accounting for this course? Financial accounting for this course. The other one we don't offer here. Okay, that is under the name management accounting.
One is external, one is internal.
Which one is for external?
External
Financial
is the financial.
Yeah, for this course. Financial accounting, this course is for, say, outside, for external. Okay, that really means if you are the person buy or sell stock, if you watch, the financial news every day, Wall Street, they have the report, right? They have the stock market, and financial accounting is required for what we call public company. You may hear about public company. So what's public company? Public company means yeah, the stock is trading, right? It's trading on the market, open market. So in the United States, that is Wall Street, right? Could be NYSE or OTC, right? Could be, depends on which market your company is trading through, right? So public. And if, say, I believe, I just guess, okay, some of you working for the company is called startup company, right? They really mean you're working for the new company, and this new company, especially in Silicon Valley, your company plan to go public, IPO, in few years, right? So if your company is shooting for IPO, or your company has been qualified as a public company, financial accounting is required. They really mean your company need to file the quarterly report every other 3 months. So it's very, very, tension, okay? Especially by the end of the quarter, it's very, very busy, all right? However, if your company, say, assuming some of you running your own business, by the way, for this school, for this MBA program, we encourage our students to run your own company, to operate your own business. That is one of our main purpose for this course. Okay, so if you are working for a big company, that is good, but we recommend, we encourage people from this school, from this program, you may consider to run your own business. Assuming your business is a small business, 1 person, 2 or 3 small company, and your intention is not go public. Eventually your intention just want to make profit. Make profit not necessarily mean go public, right? You can run very, very successful small business, but without, IPO. The reason is very simple, right? You don't want to build a burden. If you are running a big open or public company, you need to meet the regulation SEC, right? We're gonna talk about what SEC is. Small business sometimes make big profit. So for small business, financial accounting is not required, but however, it's good for you to know about it. At least when you read the financial statement, you know what it is. So this is chapter 1. Another purpose for this course, I know, according to my past experience for my students, some of them, probably only a few of them, may consider to take CPA exam. Doesn't matter what kind of major you are before, okay? You may come from high-tech field or any other different background. However, you can always, by the way, it doesn't matter what age you are, okay? You can always consider to take the CPA exam, okay? Because in the United States, the opportunity is always there. You can always set out your goal, and probably a few years down the road, you may pass CPA exam, you become a CPA. So another purpose for this course is for those people, you may seriously consider to take accounting as a major, focus, accounting, and then probably 3 years later, 4 years later, you pass CPA exam. I do have this student before. Okay, so this is another purpose for this course. And for CPA exam, financial accounting is one of the exam topic. So anybody know, when we talk about financial statements, usually what kind of statement we are talking about? How many report or what kind of statement are included under the category, say, financial statement?
Balance sheet, income statement, cash statement. Retained earning?
Yeah. Let me repeat it, okay? It also in chapter 1, okay? When people talk about financial statement, and that is not a strange item, okay? If you want to borrow the money, say for example, you are running your small business, okay? Doesn't matter how small the business is. once in a while you may have such opportunity. You want to apply for the business loan or line of credit, business line of credit from your bank. Okay. Sometimes even you don't want to borrow the money, but the bank manager approach you. Okay. How do they know about your business? Because when you run your own business, you open your business checking account. It's not that difficult. In the United States, the opportunity is always there. And the good thing is, for you to run a small business in the United States, is there is no minimum assets requirement. I talk about this all the time. And if you compare the legal system in the United States with, say, the one in Taiwan, in China, even in Hong Kong, if you want to open up a corporation or business in Taiwan, in China, the law requires you to prove you have minimum assets in order to open your business checking account, because a lot of frauds in the area. So government would like to regulate and also want to make sure people is running the legitimate business. So in this, I believe in the majority all around the world, okay? They all ask for people to prove they have minimum assets. So you need to deposit cash in the bank in order to run your own business, but which is not so. In the United States, in California, you are not required to keep any minimum assets in your business account. So say, for example, you want to run your own business, small business, doesn't matter how small it is, you can just put in like $100. As long as that amount meet the bank, whatsoever the bank say, well, you want to maintain your business account, our minimum balance is say 100. I don't know. Then you open the account. Very, very easy. And for next semester, I just give you the advertisement, okay? For next semester, I believe starting from the late August or the early September, I believe early September, I'm going to offer you another course related to this, business law. For that course, we're going to talk about what kind of entity you're going to use. If you want to run your own business, you can consider, say, sole proprietorship. You are the one person who made the decision. Or partnership, 2 or 3 person. Or LLC, limited liability company, or corporation. So many different type, variety you can choose. It's okay. Once you open your business, the first thing you want to do is to open your checking account. Okay, your business checking account. From that moment on, your bank manager know who you are. So once in a while, they will approach you, say, hey, Mr. or Mrs. So-and-so, at this moment, today, our bank offer you very good deal to open a business line of credit. Well, of course, right now, economy is not good. It's not as good as before. But anyway, you will receive this kind of phone call from your bank. Say, Mr. Mrs. So-and-so, we have a very good deal, promotion for this week. If you want to open a line of credit, and for the first year, no any fee, and we can give you 30,000, 50,000 line of credit for your business. And then you respond, say, okay, I'm interested, but what should I do? Usually, they only ask you to provide your current financial statement. And when they say financial statement, usually they mean only 2 things. Okay, Joyce just say there should be 4 things, okay? But usually for your loan application for business, okay, and usually bank only ask for 2 things. One is balance sheet. And we're gonna focus probably balance sheet for next week, next session also. The next one is income statement. Income statement. Okay, they're all in your chapter 1. So at least one of the purpose for this course, okay, you need to know how to prepare your your balance sheet and income statement for your business, at least, okay? I don't worry about cash flow statement because that's for big company. So the third one is called cash flow, and the fourth one is called return earning statement, okay? So we say that the number one, balance sheet. And this is one of the major ones. You need to know how to prepare, how to make it, okay, for your business. How to do it. Income statement. Okay. For my course, okay, I always tell my students, say, doesn't matter this semester is 6 weeks, 5 weeks, 12 weeks, 15 weeks, doesn't matter, I don't care. Once you finish my course, usually you forgot 90% of the materials. You forgot it. I admit it. I was a student, so I know. Okay, hopefully you remember 100%, but which is not true. I know that. So once we finished, you got your grade A, then you forgot 80% already. But at least, hopefully, you still remember two things. For this course, you know how to prepare your balance sheet, how to prepare your income statement. Some people say income statement is profit or loss. Okay, the third one, I don't care too much about, but if you want to take CPA exam, you better off learn it, okay? If not, then this is not big deal. Cash flow. And the number 4 is returning earning. Return earning. They are related. Okay? They are related. Alright, so we're gonna talk about the basic idea for the day. And chapter 1, 2, 3 cover basically balance sheet and income statement. And we're gonna develop more concept for this course. Alright. And for my course, number 1, I will assign you as little as possible homework. But hopefully you cooperate, you can turn in on time. Number 2, we will have one, is not really the midterm, okay, it's in class quiz. And I expect that is on the first week of August. So they really mean we have today, we have 2 times meeting in July, then we have 30 minutes in class quiz. And that is after the regular class. So usually I only assign 2 questions for that. So that qualify as or counted as our midterm, 30% of your grade. And then I don't have a final. So I know maybe you have a final for another course. I don't have a final. Usually I have the final project, individual project, and you need to complete your final project as 12 to 12 minutes. 12 to 15 minutes video presentation, and you post it on YouTube. That is your final project, and I will assign you final project topic each week. You only need to get one, choose one. You just choose one. You want to get more, you're welcome, but minimum you choose one, and you can turn it in not too early. Okay, you can turn it in say anytime after August. So they really mean, I try to spread out your burden for this course through, say, the whole semester. You don't need to put everything together by the end of August. I know you need to finish in other courses also. Alright? So again, for my course, I will assign you homework, only 1 question per session. So you will only have homework like 4, not more than 5 questions. Okay, I'll pick up.
Written question on YouTube.
Again, for homework, yeah, For the homework, you don't need to write it in. You don't need to do any paperwork. Same thing, you just have your homework presentation on the video and post it on the YouTube and send to me. Also, you're welcome to send to your classmate and open up for discussion if you want to. Okay? So for homework, I would say 5 minutes is enough, not more than 5 minutes. You just do your oral or whatever you put on the post on YouTube, and then we can review it. So one homework for every 2 weeks, and only one in class quiz, and also one final 15 minutes video presentation. And you can go ahead to start to choose your topic starting from today. I will give you the topic very soon. Okay, and by the end of this semester, hopefully everybody you know how to prepare your very simple balance sheet and income statement, at least for your own business. Okay, assuming you're gonna run your business somewhere in your lifetime. Okay, hopefully it is very successful. Hopefully become IPO. Alright. Okay. Let's talk about balance sheet. Okay, if they are also in your book. Okay, can anybody tell me what's the major purpose of balance sheet? Or you can tell me what is the factors or elements. What are those 3 major elements on balance sheet?
Asset liability.
And then?
Equity.
Yeah. Slowly, okay, let me repeat my question again, and then everybody can be in the same pace. Okay.